everybody, and welcome back to my channel. My name is James. Today we're going to be going and doing something we've already done it before, but I'm going to do kind of a longer video of this. We're going to be putting in more 4-inch channel drain along the edge of a driveway and then running out 4-inch pipe all the way to the backyard. So we're going to get a trencher attachment. We're going to do that, but first we're just going to go install this along the edge, do all the work we need there. That's the longest part. And then we'll go get the rest of our pipe and a trencher attachment. We should be done with this in one day. So let's get into it. Let's see how she goes. Alright, so we're going to show you the project for the day. So what we're going to be doing here is we're going to be putting in another channel drain right along the edge of this concrete. We're going to run it down here under the fence, being careful of their septic line right there. Then we're going to tie into that drain right there. We're going to go, we're going to grab that drain as well, right there on the corner of the house. And we're going to take everything down right through that yard, through that double gate, and into the back over there. So this is going to be a good little job. I'm hoping to get this done quickly. And I got some attachments to help me with this. I rented them from a local rental yard. We're going to try them out and see what we think. Alright, so these are the attachments I rented. This is just a regular trencher for a Toro Dingo, and this is a Toro trench cover or trench backfiller. I'm not exactly sure of the actual name of it, but I'm really interested to see how this works because I've been doing a lot of drainage jobs lately, and I really think it would be very beneficial along with one of these trenchers. So let's try these out. Let's see how they do. Let's see how quickly we can get this job done. Let me tell you, the time right now is 12:06 because I've gone around, gotten parts, brought my machine over here, went and got these, and went to one other store to get pipe. So, that being said, let's see how long it takes for us to get this job done with these tools. Let's get started. don't like that pin design. I think I'm gonna see if I can change it. However, it could just be the Toro. I've had a little trouble with both. The Toro has very little room for tolerance, and I think maybe if I tried another brand, it might be a little bit different. So I don't know. That's something I'm gonna have to look at. The easiest thing I could probably do is keep these pins. I don't like those pins because I smashed my finger on it right there. That didn't feel good. So, but as far as the pins go, if I can get them to work, if I got someone to cut those holes out a little bit more, I think it might would work better, where there's just more room for tolerance, because there was, like, as you can see, I had to really beat that in there. So let's go trench some trenches, cover up some trenches, put some pipe in. Let's do it. Myself. They replaced the fitting while I was there, and that O-ring they just put on there just blew out again. So I'm going to try, in fact you can see it right there. I'm going to try tightening that down, see if that works. If not, I'm just going to finish. I've only got to get out past that double gate, so it's going to make a mess, but that's what I'm going to do. All right, this attachment is a good attachment. I really like that. I haven't used anything that good before. I think I need to get one of those. I don't know how much they run, but typically something like that would be about $3 to $5 grand, I'd say. So that's probably gonna have to wait, and I'm just gonna keep on renting it. But if you're doing drain pipes, I mean, it would work if you were digging stuff by hand too. I mean, that's a good tool. I think that'd be worth purchasing. Let's take a look out there. Alright, so we got that job wrapped up. We're loading the truck up now. I'm going to pick up the machine tomorrow morning since these attachments are taking up so much space. But I just wanted to show you guys how much I actually made off of this. I did this job for around $2 grand, like right at $2 grand, and I had $600 in parts. So how long did this job take me? It is 6:12 right now. So that means I made what, $1,200, $1,300 in 6 hours. That ain't bad. 6 hours worth of work. All right. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. There's some numbers for you on how I quote things. And I've had jobs like this take 3-4 days. That's the fastest I've ever done one. So I hope you guys are watching, continuing to watch, because I want to keep on trying to put out you know, things that this machine can do that are better, you know, easier to get your jobs done quicker. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out, coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music I'm saying.